How to prepare for your next mountain adventure. The must-have hiking items for your next journey. Hi, my name is Sabine. They call me Austrian After Addict. Today, I will give you some tips for a safe adventure. Stay tuned. So, first of all, choose your tour. And then, take your map and check it out. Choose realistic goals that fit to your skills, or you may get into troubles, or even bigger troubles. Pack warm clothes, because the weather can change and you could get into troubles, or even bigger troubles. Bring light and enough batteries, because you could get into the dark and this could cause troubles, or even bigger troubles. Always take enough food and water with you. You may get hungry, thirsty, or weak, and this means correct troubles. Never forget your mobile phone, because of this, and this. And last but not least, beware of wild animals, or you could get into troubles again, or even bigger troubles. For not getting into troubles, visit www.austrianafteraddict.at, your site for the best hiking, fitness and travel tips.